In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to LinkConnect GCash to Google Pay. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect, so you can use GCash as a payment option for apps, games, and subscriptions. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're signed into the Google account you want to use. It also helps if your Play Store and GCash apps are up to date, so everything looks and works as described. Start by opening the Play Store on your Android device. This is where Google manages your payment options for purchases and subscriptions. Once the Play Store is open, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. That's the small circular avatar or initial that opens your account settings. From the menu that appears, choose Payments and Subscriptions. This is the section that controls how you pay for apps, in-app items, and recurring charges. Next, tap Payment Methods. Here you'll see your current payment options and a list of ways to add a new one. Now, select Add GCash. If it's available to you, it will appear as one of the payment method options. When you tap Add GCash, you'll be redirected to GCash to securely connect your account. Simply follow the prompts on your screen. Typically, you may be asked to confirm your mobile number, log in, and authorize the link. You might also receive a one-time password for verification. Enter it carefully and never share that code with anyone. Continue through the on-screen confirmations until GCash shows that the setup is complete. When you return to the Play Store, GCash should appear under your payment methods. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment to refresh or back out and reopen the payment methods page. If the Add GCash option didn't appear earlier, it can be due to region or account eligibility. In that case, checking that your device region, Google account settings, and GCash account are set up correctly often helps. Ensuring you're using the same mobile number verified with GCash can also prevent hiccups during verification. That's all you need to do. You've opened the Play Store, tapped your profile, gone to Payments and Subscriptions, chosen payment methods, and added GCash, then completed the prompts inside GCash. With everything linked, you can confidently use GCash for your Google Play purchases and subscriptions. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step on your own device.